Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So today I decided to do a video on how I install my lace wigs quickly. So this is what you need. So you need a wig, lace frontal wig. You would need a brush, a hair clip, a rat tail comb or fishtail comb, whatever you want to call it, some rubbing alcohol. You can get that from your dollar store. You would need a got-to-be glue. I prefer the one with the black bottle than the one in the yellow bottle. I find it comes out like white and it's yeah, I just don't like it. And you'll need your freeze spray. And also, yeah guys, to let you know, I got this lace tint. It's called Lace Tint Queen in a medium brown. So you would also need this, and you would need a cotton swab and just a regular flat iron. So yeah guys, let's get started on this hair. So first thing that you would do is the lace, which I already done. So you have the lace here, right? So you would actually you would go in with your lace tint, your lace tint by Queen. I will link her Instagram in the comment below, and you guys can go order it. This is my first time trying it so far. So good, and I find that it's great. And this is a medium brown, and what I did, I already sprayed it on the lace overnight, and I just let it sit because I was doing the video. I just let it sit. So I already sprayed it and sit, and this is the color I got, so it's darker. So this beats the purpose of you needing to really use your foundation on your wig. And yeah, so I did that, and now I'm going to go in with my rubbing alcohol. So this is why you needed a cotton swab. I always do this. You want to clean the surface of your head, like clean the surface of where you're going to apply the got-to-be glue on your skin. Take this down, and yeah, and make sure that your hair is braided. If you can braid your hair like small, then braid it small. So you're just gonna wipe this area here. So you want to wipe the perimeter, make sure that there's no oil, and you just use rubbing alcohol. I find rubbing alcohol works better, and you can fan it. And you can also use a blow dryer as well. I didn't end up not using my blow dryer. And generally what I do is I would put on the wig. So let's get it on. So I want to test it out to see where it is. You want to test it out to see where it laid. So what I would do is I would just take the comb and make sure I comb it first. See where I want my hair to lay. You don't want the hair flying all over. Okay, and so I could see where I want the hair to lay. So I haven't even tacked it down yet. So I know I want it like right here, as close as possible. So you have the clips underneath. So I'm gonna take the clip, and you're gonna clip that bad boy down. Clip it down where you know you want it to stay. Okay, you want that hair to really lay in place. What I can do is I take my fine teeth comb and I kind of brush up the edges. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my clip, and I clip my hair down for a second. So all right, so then I just move the hair back so it's out of the way. And what I generally do is I will spray. So I'll go around, spray. So you spray the perimeter, and you can air dry it like me. So fan it down, and then I would go in with my got-to-be glue and take some on my hand, and I will line it along. So line it along to make it nice and smooth. So this, you can do this if you want it to hold you for maybe about a week and a half. Hopefully it won't lift up. And if you wanted it to hold you longer, then you can do the ball cap method, and you can do the ghost bond glue. I will do a video coming up on that another time on how I install my ball cap method with my ghost bond glue as well, and that one can hold you up to maybe 3 weeks depending on what you're doing. But and it's good that you can use it, yeah, you could go swimming with it and stuff with the ghost bond glue when you do that one and you do the ball cap method, as long as you apply it properly. So what I'm doing is I'm just sealing it out, making sure it's good. Okay, and let me just wipe my hand off. And then I want to, so you can do it by section, but right now I'm kind of in a hurry. I have an appointment to get to. So you just want to tap down the sides here, and you can use some of this, right, and hold it down. So, and then you just pull the hair towards, and then this is where this comes in, the rat tail comb. So you use the rat tail comb and you just smooth down your side, and then you got to make sure that the lace is behind your hair, the front of this, which would be like your little baby hair or whatever you want. You can choose to cut it. Generally I do cut it, but I don't have time, so I'm kind of in a hurry. I would cut here, and then you cut it to where you want it, and that would be your baby hair or your sideburns, whatever you want to call them. So then you pull down the other side, and then you just go across and just put it down lightly, and then you just use this side. So now you have it down. Make sure it's behind your ears. Okay, and all of it is down. Okay, and this wig I actually customized it, so I ended up plucking it to my liking, the way I wanted it done. And yeah guys, so even though if I do get wigs and they are customized, I still tailor it to my liking, because I like my wigs to look as natural as possible, like they're growing from your scalp. So I am always tailoring my hair. Even when I go to the hairdresser, I tend to do the same thing. I try to, if there's something that they did that I didn't find that looks good, I try to tailor it to my liking, to the way I like my hair. That's why I tend to try and do my hair myself most of the time. But you know, sometimes your girl just want to go out and get pampered. So then when I finish this, I go back in, guys, with my freezing spray, and I just going to spray down the front. I'm not going to do no baby hair, right? I'm not doing no baby hair. So I just go back in and I just taper it down, and you would leave this to dry. So this would end up drying. So I'm gonna come back when it's dry and show you guys, and then I will do a quick flat iron to get the hair nice and down.